There's something magical about watching an outfit transform, not by copying someone else, but by understanding what actually works for you. I remember a time when I'd stand in front of the mirror wearing what I thought were all the right pieces: neutral tones, clean silhouettes, timeless staples, yet something still felt off, not wrong, just not right for me. It wasn't until I began learning the subtle art of styling, the soft tweaks, the visual harmonies, the personal understanding of shape and balance, that my outfits started to whisper wealth rather than shout confusion. I want to share 10 soft, elegant styling upgrades that will instantly elevate your look, all rooted in the vanilla style aesthetic, with soft luxury and self-love woven into every layer. These aren't rules, they're invitations to see your beauty, to refine your eye, and to fall in love with getting dressed again. In today's video, I'm sharing styling upgrades that whisper wealth, from how to know if your jeans are wrong for your body type, to the tiny details that make your outfits look polished without spending a cent more. Let me know in the comments, which outfit in your closet always makes you feel confident, and which one never quite works. Let's dive into your vanilla style fall glow up. If you love elegant fashion, quiet confidence, and the soft life, welcome home. Subscribe, and let's elevate together. And don't forget to check the links in the description for my favorite pieces, from soft layering knits to elevated accessories you'll use again and again. Let's begin. 1. Choose the right jeans for your body type. Mistake: wearing jeans that fight against your shape. Upgrade: choosing denim that frames, not flattens. Let's start with the most misunderstood piece in everyone's closet: jeans. You can have the most expensive denim in the world, but if it's not the right cut for your body shape, it will never look elegant. For years, I thought straight-leg jeans were the universal go-to, until I realized they completely flatten my shape. If your jeans sag in the back, pinch at the waist, or bunch at the crotch, the problem isn't you, it's the fit. One of the most powerful style shifts is learning your body type, not to restrict you, but to guide your eye. If you're curvier, a high-rise flare can elongate your legs and define your waist. If you're straighter, a cropped wide leg might add movement and balance. If you're petite, avoid heavy distressing or bagginess. Aim for clean tailoring and soft stretch. Pair with a tucked-in blouse and ballet flats for that effortlessly French vanilla vibe. 2. From flat to flowing, the fabric fix. Mistake: rigid, stiff fabrics that swallow your softness. Upgrade: fluid textures that move with you. Your clothing should breathe with you. A silk slip skirt, a satin blouse, or even a softly brushed cotton shirt can instantly romanticize your outfit. Textures that shimmer or ripple add visual interest without loud patterns. You don't need sparkle to stand out. Softness is a luxury all its own. Visual weight balance. Mistake: pairing a chunky sweater with heavy pants, or a skimpy top with baggy bottoms. Upgrade: visual equilibrium. Volume meets structure. If your top is oversized, balance with slim trousers. If your skirt is voluminous, add a fitted top or belted waist. Elegance is often about proportion. This styling harmony instantly signals polish, like you know exactly what you're doing, even if it only took 2 minutes. 4. Use monochrome to elongate your silhouette. Monochrome isn't just a trend, it's a timeless trick to make you look taller, leaner, and more polished. But here's the key. Mix different textures, like silk and wool. Layer tones from the same color family, like beige and camel. This creates interest without breaking the visual line. It's quiet, elegant, and endlessly flattering. Pair it with a single statement piece, like gold earrings or a classic handbag, and you've mastered vanilla-style layering. 5. Neckline awareness. Mistake: choosing tops that fight your natural elegance. Upgrade: necklines that frame your face and elevate your presence. If you have a longer neck, try a soft turtleneck or mock neck. If you want to elongate your silhouette, go for V-necks or boat necks. Test different necklines in front of the mirror. You'll be surprised how one change can refine your entire outfit. 6. Structured layers equals instant authority. Mistake? Shapeless layering. Upgrade: blazers, belted coats, or boxy crop jackets. Fall is the season of layering, but not all layers are equal. Line blazers and stiff coats can make you look boxy. Instead, try unlined trench coats, waterfall cardigans, or soft wool wraps that flow with your body. This keeps your look cozy and fluid and still elegant. I'll link some vanilla-style layering pieces I adore, perfect for walks, errands, or coffee dates that turn into something more. A well-placed blazer adds sophistication, especially over softer fabrics. Try a cream blazer over a slip dress, or a camel coat over casual jeans and a cashmere tee. This is a power move wrapped in softness, vanilla style at its best. Which of these styling shifts speaks to you the most? Tell me in the comments. I love reading your stories and what you're experimenting with. And if you're curating your own soft luxury wardrobe, check out the updated links in the description. I've included my go-to elevated basics that never go out of style. Let's keep going. 7. Add one soft luxury to every look. The final touch is always something luxurious, not flashy, but sensual, personal, and feminine. That could be a silk scarf tied on your bag, a delicate gold necklace, a subtle vanilla-scented perfume, a softly tinted lip oil. This is what makes people wonder what your secret is. It's not the clothes alone, it's how you wear them. I've linked my favorite feminine perfume, the one that gets compliments every time, and the tinted lip oil I keep in every bag. Don't miss those. And if this resonates with you, write this in the comments. I dress to reflect my beauty, not to chase approval. 8. Elevate with elegant shoes. Mistake? Casual sneakers or overly trendy heels. Upgrade: quiet, intentional footwear. Nothing ruins an outfit faster than the wrong shoes. You can be wearing the most beautiful tailored outfit, but if the shoes are scuffed, dated, or too casual, it throws off the whole look. Instead of basic sneakers, try pointed flats for grace, low-block heels for all-day comfort, leather loafers for a Parisian twist. I'll link my favorite fall-ready loafers and understated heels below, including some cozy suede pairs perfect for chilly mornings. A pair of almond toe ballet flats, kitten heels, or suede loafers can elevate even the most basic look. It's not about discomfort, it's about visual intent. Shoes whisper your story before you speak. Let them say something elegant. 9. Accessory harmony. Mistake: over-accessorizing or ignoring details. Upgrade: understated pieces with story and soul. Try gold hoops with soft hair, a silk scarf tied around your neck, a vintage watch with a beige cashmere top. Accessories are where your personality blooms. Choose with grace. 10. Invisible elegance. Underlayers matter. Mistake: visible bra lines, harsh seams, or panty lines. Upgrade: seamless, tonal underlayers that support the look. Underwear isn't just functional, it's foundational. Use nude seamless sets under whites and opt for soft shaping slips under dresses. Looking polished starts before you even get dressed. 11. Styling with belts, tucks, and hems. Mistake: letting outfits hang without shape. Upgrade: tucking, belting, and pinning to frame your body. A French tuck, a wide belt, a rolled sleeve. These styling cues change the energy of an outfit completely. Suddenly, your outfit isn't wearing you. You are in charge. One of the easiest ways to elevate a look is by creating shape. A belt doesn't just hold your pants up, it defines your waist, adds contrast, and makes even a loose outfit look purposeful. Whether it's over a coat, sweater, dress, or blazer, a structured belt whispers intention. Vanilla-style tip: go for soft leather in caramel, black, or taupe, paired with delicate gold or tortoiseshell hardware. Linked below, my go-to belt that instantly cinches and upgrades any oversized outfit. The French tuck, half-tuck tops into your trousers or skirt adds movement and shape without bulk. It's especially effective with fall knits and button-down shirts. Likewise, cuffing your sleeves to mid-forearm brings attention to your waist and adds an intentional touch. Style is all about the little things that show you're in control of your look. 12. Tailor what you love. Most women give up on outfits that almost work, when all they need is a small adjustment. Tailoring is the secret weapon of elegant women. A $40 dress tailored to your body will always look better than a $400 one that's too loose. Take your favorite pieces and ask, could the sleeves be shortened? Could the hem hit right above the ankle? Could the waist be brought in slightly? A small investment equals a huge difference. 13. The confidence filter, stand like you mean it. Mistake, elegant outfit, timid energy. Upgrade, outfit plus posture plus presence equals transformation. When you know your outfit flatters your shape, you stand taller, you move differently, you feel different. The softest luxury is confidence, not loud, not forced, just present. Style isn't about impressing others. It's about expressing the deepest, most honored version of you. Elegance isn't about chasing perfection. It's about learning what works for you and wearing it with confidence. If this video inspired you, let me know in the comments which styling upgrade you're excited to try first. Question: what's the one piece in your closet you love, but never wear because something feels off? Let's fix it together. And remember, you are allowed to be the masterpiece and the work in progress, all at once. So the next time your outfit feels a little off, ask yourself, is the proportion working? Is the fabric moving with me? Does this honor my shape or fight it? And most importantly, does this version of me feel true? Elegance is a journey, and you're not behind. You're exactly where you need to be. If this video helped you reimagine your own wardrobe, give it a like, subscribe for more soft luxury tips, and check the description box for all the links to my favorite style upgrades. Until next time, stay elegant, stay kind, and style with intention.